Do you want to learn the best way to make a whipped coffee butter? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain how to make that. So hi, I'm Diane from Vermont Lavender, and we fix dry skin so you feel more comfortable. And so today what I want to talk about is making a whipped coffee butter. So I have my ingredients right here. This is a coffee butter, and I have purchased this from Crafter's Choice right here. And this has coffee seed oil in it, and it helps to retain moisture on the skin. And it is a thick butter and is something that's really good during the, I would say during the winter season or when it's really dry. So it makes a great holiday gift. So it's rich in phytoesterols, which is a natural occurring compound found in plants because it comes from the coffee bean. I have tamanu oil, which is looks like a green oil. I don't know if you can see that in here. So it has many benefits for the skin because it helps to protect the skin. And then I have my rice bran oil. That's from Crafter's Choice too. Let me just show you that. And then I also have here my fragrance oils. I have everything already measured out. And so I use Vanilla Select, and that is from Brambleberry. And then I use Espresso Fragrance Oil, and that is from Crafter's Choice. And the tamanu oil, I don't know if you can still get it, but I do purchase this from brambleberry.com. Then I have my tapioca powder, which is a nice powder that's all natural, and I get that from Crafter's Choice, and it helps with the greasiness of the body butter, because without something like this, usually, or you can use arrowroot powder, but it helps so it's not as greasy on your body. So let's get started. I have 8 ounces here. So now I want to, usually the butters when I make them, the reason I use this, because normally they're a little bit harder, but this is really soft. So, there, okay. Yes, I'm going to whip this. Okay, then I'm going to add my rice bran oil, my tamanu oil, and I will put the recipe in the link below. So if you want to make this, then I add my fragrance oil. I'm going to scrape down the sides. Okay, then I'm going to add the tapioca powder. And when you start this, you want to do it on low or kind of get it in there so you don't get a poof of this. There. And just incorporate this in. And then I have my 4-ounce container. Let's see how light and fluffy that is. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then I just tamp this down. I think that's all I'm going to fill, because what I want to do is I have a little disc that I put on top. I just have to clean this, and it just makes it so it seals it and so it won't leak. And then it's much more sanitary when you use it yourself. Alright, that's it. So if you want to learn more about making body butters, coffee body butters, and other different body butters, I'll have another link all about body butters. If you want to learn more about my skincare products, sign up for my newsletter at Vermont Lavender to get the latest on my soap and body care business. So okay, I'll see you next Tuesday, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.